Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. If you're new to my channel, then hi, my name is Adity and today I'm going to share with you guys a makeup haul video. I have a few stuffs from PAC, Sugar Cosmetics, like I have a lot of stuff from Sugar Cosmetics. Then I have got a few stuffs from Nykaa, Amazon, Flipkart. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys everything today. I'm not including skincare and hair care in this video because I have already done a skincare first impressions video. And if I go on to show you my skincare and hair care and body care products that I purchased recently, then this video will stretch too long and I do not want that. So yeah, you can go ahead and watch my skincare, hair care and body care first impressions video. I have shown most of the products there. It will be linked somewhere on the screen or in my description box below, so make sure you check that out after you do this video. And all of these products are very affordable. I think all of them are under rupees 800 or something. I have already shot a first impressions video trying most of these products, which will probably go up 1 week after I upload this video. So if you want to watch that and see most of the products in action, then make sure you subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I mean, that was like enough of information. Now let's just get into the video already. So to start off, I have got two stuffs from PAC. One is their brush and it is their PAC 288 concealer brush. I have already used it and I really like the brush. This is how it looks. It is very precise, so you can get into the contours of your face really easily and blend your concealer or foundation there as well. Although I will say that it does poke the skin a little bit, just a little bit though. Then the second thing that I got from PAC, and the most exciting thing, is the PAC HD liquid foundation. This is how it looks. I think I'm the last person to try this on the earth because everyone just loves it. They have been talking about it since like a couple of years now. And by the way, this is in the shade 2.7. This is how it looks from the inside, and oh my god, I really cannot tell you guys how excited I am to try this. Oh, and I also got one eyelashes from PAC, and this is the PAC M75 eyelashes. This is one of their most popular styles and is said to be very hooded eyes friendly. This is how it looks from the inside. I have worn it in my first impressions video, so you know, again, you would want to check that video out. Then let's start with the Sugar haul because I have got a lot of stuff from Sugar. Like about 70% of whatever you see in this video is from Sugar. So the first thing I got from them is the Sugar Most Eligible smoothing primer. Now I have heard that it is a dupe of the Benefit Professional, although I have not tried the Benefit one. So this is how it looks from the inside. Classy black matte packaging, really fuss free. Then I have the Sugar Suede Secret Matte Lip Color. This is how it looks from the outside, and this is in the shade Felt Fawn, which is a cool toned brown color. This is how the packaging looks like. I have tried Sugar's original Smudge Me Not liquid lipsticks. I do not like that, so yeah, I'm going to swatch it right here. So as you can see, it is a cool toned brown color. I do not know how it will look on me. I'll probably wear it someday. Of course, you guys will see. And then next from them, I got the Born to Wing gel eyeliner. I got this in the shade brown. The name of it is Brown Sugar. This is how it looks from the inside. It comes with its own brush like so, and I think I'll just swatch it for you guys. Here's the swatch. I think it will be perfect for daily wear because black liner looks quite defined and sharp and stark, whereas brown will look much more softer. Then next I also picked up the Sugar Smudge Me Not mini liquid lipsticks. This is how it looks. I got mostly browns in this. I think I'm going to swatch, like do a different swatch videos of the Sugar Smudge Me Not liquid lipsticks because I have a few of them. So this is how they come. So the shades that I got is Brink of Pink, Dawn Fawn, Teak Mystique and Toast Roast. So I will just quickly swatch each of them. So the first one that I'm swatching is Toast Roast. Here's the swatch. The second one is called Teak Mystique. Then there's Dawn Fawn. And lastly, I have Brink of Pink. I have already tried the Sugar Smudge Me Not liquid lipsticks, but I do not like them at all. They're so drying. But somehow the mini version of it is not that bad. I mean, they do not feel as drying as the original one. And then next I got the Sugar Matte as Hell lip crayon in the shade Holy Lighty, and this is how it looks from the inside. It is one of their most popular shades. I'm going to swatch it here. It is a rosy pinky nude color, would flatter fair to medium skin tones. Then next from Sugar I got their face palette. It is called their Contour de Force face palette, and this is in the variant Subtle Summit. This is how it looks from the inside. Then from Sugar I got their arch rival brow definer, and this is in the shade Top Tom. It has a triangular shape to it to make that hair-like strokes, and then it also comes with a spoolie like so. Top Tom shade is a greyish brown shade which will look good on most of the eyebrows. I'll just swatch it right here. This one is not high on pigmentation, so the chances of going overboard with your eyebrows is quite less on this one. Then the last product I got from Sugar is the Bling Leader Illuminating Moisturizer. So this is in the shade 03 Peach Poppin'. It is not something glittery or chunky. You can definitely wear this every day, and I think that is all I got from Sugar. Yeah, most probably yes. So moving on, I got a few stuffs from Flipkart. So if you don't already know, Essence Cosmetics is now available on Flipkart. So I picked 2 of their mascara and 1 eye primer, and this is the I Love Stage eyeshadow base. This is how it looks. It comes in only 1 shade, or it is available in only 1 shade on Flipkart, and it is the Stage is Mine. So yeah, this is the eye primer. Then I have the Essence Lash Princess mascara. Such a good mascara. It provides volume and length, and you know, it really looks like you have false lashes on. Then the next mascara I picked from them is the I Love Extreme Volume mascara. This is how it looks, and I haven't tried it yet, but I have heard really good things about it, so I can't wait to really try it on. So yeah, that is all I got from Flipkart. Next I have the NYB liquid lipstick that I got from Purple. I actually mainly got a few skincare products from Purple, so I have already shown it in my skincare first impressions video, so I will not include it here, but this was the only makeup that I got, and it is their liquid lipstick. I actually do not like their liquid lipstick. I mean, they are okay, but this shade is very popular, and I wanted to try something of this sort since a really long time, and this shade is Take Me to the Park Slope, and it is like a, again, cool toned grey color. Here's the swatch. Then moving on to Amazon haul, I got the Faces Canada Ultime Pro HD Intense Matte Lip Crayon. It comes in a pack of 2, and the shades which we get in here is Bold Wine and Hazel. So I have already tried one of this, and that is the shade Hazel, and I quite liked it. Again, you can see it in the first impressions video. So here goes the swatch. It is a warm caramelly light brown shade. Here's the swatch of the shade Bold Wine. Here you go. Then next I got from Henna Beauty's website the Belle Jelly or Belledly. I do not know how it is pronounced, but yeah, this is how it looks. It is their new launch. Again, I have used this in the first impressions video, and I have quite mixed reviews for it. And here's the swatch of this. Like, yeah. So on some angles it looks like a maroon, and then on some angles it looks like an olive green shade. So yeah, that is in the shade Sand, by the way. Then next from Amazon I picked the Deborah Milano mascara. This is how it looks, and I got this in the shade Brown because I really wanted to try a brown mascara. This is how the wand of it looks like. It is more of a lengthening mascara. I have again used it in the first impressions video. And now let's move with the Nykaa haul. The first thing that I got from Nykaa is the Lakme Iconic Kajal. This is in the shade black. I actually wanted to shoot a Lakme one brand makeup tutorial and I could not find my Lakme kajal, and that is the reason I repurchased it. It's really good. It's great for daily wear. Then from Lakme itself, I got the newly launched Primer Plus Matte Foundation. This is how it looks. I got this in the shade Warm Caramel W320. I have tried it twice till now. I'm wearing it right now as well, and this is a really beautiful flawless foundation. And then I have 4 products from Wet n Wild. So 3 of them are their kohl kajal. So I got them in the shade Simmer Brown, You're All White, and Calling Your Buff. So yeah, this is the shade Calling Your Buff, this is You're All White, and this is Simmer Brown. So I have worn the shade You're All White on my waterlines today. These are not the most pigmented kohls, and they do not stay for the longest time too, but for the price they are being offered, I think it's a decent product. Then I got the Wet n Wild lip liner, and this is in the shade Chestnut, one of their best selling shades. And so here's the swatch. And by the way, these lip pencils, they are a little too drying, and you know, they are a little on the waxy side, so you will have to tug and pull your lips while you apply it. Not the most beautiful lip pencil, but of course the shade is beautiful. Then I got the Miss Clear Matte Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray. This is how it looks. I haven't used it till now, but this is supposed to be the dupe of the NYX Matte Setting Spray. I have actually used the NYX Dewy Setting Spray, but because I have oily skin and you know, summers are arriving, so I wanted to try a matte setting spray. So I got this one. It is also very affordable. So yeah, got this. And then I got the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. This, guys, again, it has been so much talked about, everyone loves it. I got this in the shade Light Medium 20, and I have just used it once, and oh my god guys, it is such a beautiful powder. It does not look powdery at all and gives such a flawless finish to the skin. I really like this powder, and I now know why it is so much loved by so many beauty bloggers. It's beautiful. Then next we are left with only 2 products. Both of them are lipsticks. So I got the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink lipstick. This is in the shade Amazonian. I'm just going to swatch it right here. This is how it looks. I really like the Superstay Matte Inks by Maybelline. Although I think this is not the most comfortable lipstick to wear on a regular basis because it is very drying. Then lastly, I got the L'Oreal Rouge Signature Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the shade I Play, which is a dark brown color. I'll just swatch it for you guys. So this is how the shade looks like. It is a dark brown with maroon undertones. By the way, this is how it looks from the inside. So yeah, hopefully that was all that I got in this haul. I mean, yeah, most probably that would be it. I have a few more stuff that I still have in transit. Those are one of them is an eyeshadow, and then I have 2 false eyelashes, and yeah, I do not know when will I receive it, but yeah, hopefully soon. I'll definitely show you guys when I do. So yeah, if you enjoyed watching this video, make sure you like this video, and you can also follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. I'll link my handle in the description box below. And yeah, now I'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.